What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Rob, aka Pretty Boy Rob, and I'll be hanging out with you for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy. For this video, we got these all white / silver ASICS 1130s that are looking beat. So today we're gonna be showcasing our signature shoe cleaning kit to show you how to get the best possible results. Not only will this video be great to show you how to clean this specific shoe, but it will work on pretty much any ASICS or any all mesh white sneaker. With all that being said, there's not much left to it but to do it. So let's get straight into this episode of Shoe Care Academy. All right, to get this cleaning started, we are gonna go ahead and just build our cleaning station. Like I said earlier, we're showcasing our signature shoe cleaning kit. So let me show you some of the components that come in that kit. You're gonna get all 3 brushes, of course, your soft, medium, and stiff. You're gonna get a 4-ounce bottle of solution, adjustable shoe tree, microfiber towel, and a sneaker laundry bag. We will be showcasing a few other products like this mat that we have laying down. That's just gonna act as our cleaning surface so we don't make a muddy, murky mess. And our dry rack bowl combo. This is gonna act great to store our brushes throughout the cleaning process. Plus, once we're using them, we'll put the brushes there to allow them to properly drip dry. Plus, it's gonna come with a little bowl so we can pour some water. Now just grab your solution and just squirt a few squirts. This stuff is highly concentrated. A little bit goes a long way. We got our bowl of water and solution all set. Now let's do some organization. Don't need this. Can you get this set aside? We'll come back to this laundry mat as well as this left shoe. We're gonna set that aside for that good before and after purpose so we can get some good contrast and show you how well this kit's working, as well as our shoe tree. With the shoe tree, we're just gonna adjust it inside the shoe and remove these shoelaces. And then from there, we can pretty much get this cleaning party popping off. All right, man, I'm gonna remove these crusty shoelaces. These things are dirty, so they're gonna have to get some extra love throughout this cleaning process, but we'll work on those a little later. I don't know what our production team did to these things, but I do know Luis, our social media marketing manager, was wearing these. He's an active runner, so I'm not sure if he was wearing them running or just daily wear and tear, but these things are cooked. Rather than starting with a soft bristle brush and pushing in this dirt and grime deeper, I'm just gonna grab it and get a little dry brush, again, just to help kick off all this loose dirt so it's not getting pushed deeper in the material. All right, guys, I'm all done dry brushing. I was able to get majority of that dust off the shoe or onto my fingertips. Now we can go ahead and proceed and just cleaning the whole shoe. I'm gonna start with the soft bristle brush, dip it inside our solution and bowl of water, clean the whole shoe completely, then use the microfiber towel, pretty much pat dry, see what type of deeper stains we're working with before we jump on to a stiffer bristle brush. With that being said, let's get it, let's go. All right, guys, we always recommend starting with our soft bristle brush just because it generates the most bubbles and it's safe on all materials. These bristles are super fine that it's not gonna fray or snag any type of mesh sneaker that you're dealing with, especially these premium mesh uppers on these ASICS. All right, guys, I'm all done with the inside sock liner as well as the insole. I'm not gonna spend too much time because again, the sneaker laundry system is designed to really flush out all those trapped and stains that are inside those areas of the sneaker. Right now, we can proceed to using our medium bristle brush and tackle this midsole. These ASICS sneakers feature a gel cushioning technology which helps absorb shock during impact. This technology has been a hallmark of ASICS footwear and is designed to offer better comfort and support. I'm all done using the medium bristle brush on the midsole. They're turning out great. Right now, I'm gonna continue using this brush and just focus on the uppers in certain areas. When at home and you're cleaning any type of mesh sneaker, just make sure you're brushing in one direction because there is a chance that it may fray or snag. Off camera, I already checked in the back in an inconspicuous area and I seen that it didn't fray. So again, I'm gonna go ahead and proceed with caution. All right, let's go ahead and rack up that medium bristle brush right now. Use the towel, wipe off these suds. Overall, it's looking great. I know it may not seem that way. It may look a little dingy and not as clean. It's because the shoe's still wet, plus the laundry system's gonna flush it out even more. So just trust the process. With that being said, time to slide through with a stiff bristle brush. All right, we're pretty much done with this pre-cleaning. We took care of the uppers, midsoles, and outsoles. Lastly, gotta take care of the laces. Since these laces have a lot of trapped in dirt and grime, I am gonna go ahead and grab our soft bristle brush and just scrub back and forth for that deep, effective clean. And just like that, we are done with the laces. Gonna grab those, keep these inside the sneaker because they're also gonna get flushed out using the laundry system with our sneaker laundry bag. These bags will hold 2 shoes up to a size 12. However, for these videos, we just like to put 1, obviously so we can show you that before and after effect, but right now, we're off to the washer. All right, ladies and gentlemen, when washing your sneakers in the washer, key thing is to use cold water on a normal cycle. Plus some sneaker laundry detergent, fool. All right, guys, the sneakers are currently in the washer, which means we got some time today, so I wanted to swing around the office and check in with the team to see what their thoughts on ASICS are. First up to bat is Luis, since he was rocking them. All right, Luis, we got to check in with you. You've had the ASICS on your feet. Let me know, are they heat, hype? Are they trend setting? They here to stay, or are they washed?
Honestly, they're worth the hype, 100%.
There it is. I'm on him or? All right, Austin, we're asking the teams, what is their opinion on ASICS in 2025?
Ooh, ASICS in 2025? Is anyone even wearing those right now?
Everybody, what you mean?
I haven't seen them on feet.
All right,
except here when we're demoing them.
All right, next person. ASICS 2025, are you rocking them or are you saving for your grandpa?
No, they are cool actually. They are kind of like the balance saga for running, in my opinion.
Nice. All right, let's check in with one of our shoe care specialists. Keelan, ASICS in 2025, heat or hype?
Definitely overhyped.
Yo, Vic, we checking in with the team. ASICS in 2025, you rocking with them?
I've never had a pair, bro, so I don't know what 2025 would change.
2026, maybe?
Maybe if they come up with a cool pair, but at the moment, I'll stay with the Nikes.
So they're hype. All right, guys, checking back in with you guys. It has been a few days. These shoes are fully dry and fully rejuvenated. Before we go over the results and how well they cleaned up, it's time for me to lace them up. All right, there it is. That's gonna do it. That's gonna wrap things up for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy on these ASICS GEL-1130s. Overall, these things cleaned up great. Let me go ahead and bring in the dirty pair so I can show you guys what I'm talking about. We achieved these results using our signature shoe cleaning kit. You can get your very own at rejuvenator.com and get results just like this. Before I dip, let me go ahead and just recap how we got these results. First things first, we started with our soft bristle brush, broke down all the dirt and grime on these uppers, then proceeded to moving on with our medium bristle brush, tackled some of those deeper stains, especially on the midsole. Then the stiff bristle brush really took care of these outsoles. Last but not least, we did use a sneaker laundry system that is found inside your signature shoe cleaning kit to fully flush out these shoes. All the products you saw in today's video and more are available at rejuvenator.com. If you guys like to save some dollar bills, make sure you guys use the promo code ASICS20 to save 20%, but you gotta act fast because it's only good for the first 20 orders. With all that being said, my name's Pretty Boy Rob, and I'll catch y'all in another one. Peace.